Hey, assalamu alaikum. Fabric warehouse procedure. I will telling about fabric warehouse procedure. It's a simple method. You first visit my YouTube channel, please subscribe and press this notification bell icon. Let's get started now. Lining this foundation, receiving and inspection. Imagine a new shipment as a truck beginning with critical this receiving and inspection storage transforms appearance into this country. Marketing expansion. Packing institute are mandatory checked these garments, these fabrics, receive deliveries, this ensure and matching this fabric accuracy from this confirmed set approval within short time. Quality under this inspection is this rules and a through inspection for each stage of this regulation defect are documentation and communicate safeguarding garments quality and particle columns. Documentation with purpose. Detailed records are maintained for each roles, including types, quality, and independent issues. These data serve as this historical reference and this physical fitness industries checking systems. Product color code fabric with identified issues for within handling and clear communication causes departments. Having a source, home, storage, and inventory management.